All right, it's a no shower kind of Saturday here because we are finally putting in our summer garden. It's really late, but better late than never, right? I'll walk you over and show you the project, but we definitely have our work cut out for us. Luckily, we have some new tools that I think are going to be awesome for getting it done much quicker than it otherwise would get done. As you can see, a hot mess. Let me show you how you attach the attachments to the motor and the battery powered backpack. There is an arrow here on the motor. You're going to connect arrow to arrow, slide it in. That's it. Once it's connected, you twist to lock, and now your attachment's ready. Grab this. There's an arrow on the tool so you know how to line it up like that, and that's it. You're ready to go. Step 1 and 2 are done. We have now used the bed redefiner, and we are just about ready for some lamps. Who's ready to plant some stuff? Gotta tell you, I'm a smitten kitten for these tools. Dave honestly wasn't so sure how he would like it because a lot of times with battery powered tools, they don't have as much power as gas powered tools. So Dave was a little concerned, but having worked with them on this project now, I can tell you the power is great. And for me, these are so much easier to work with than gas powered tools. There's no pull chain, it's just one motor and all the different attachments, and it's easy as pie to put this together. If you are looking for a battery tool system or a kind of one and done gardening power tools set, I would highly recommend the STIHL battery Kombi system for sure. So thanks STIHL for letting us try out these tools, and we are very, very happy with them.